pass together. Get after it, Bryn.
Talking to you, Natalie.
Go, Piper. Go, Pipe. Yeah. Blankets and clothes. Nice. Go, Piper.
Be there, Brad.
Go, Piper. Go, Bryn. There you go. The honor Liz. Nice pass. Nice. Bryn. Good job. Get there, Ari. Come on, Tori. There you go. Go, Tori. There you go, Liz. Good job, Riggs.
Get there, Tori. You get Tori. Go, go.
Again, yes.
Our video and feeling together. Oh, nice pass. Yeah. Oh, nice one.
Nice feed. Oh, good save, goalie.
Oh, Char.
That's it, Bell.
Stay with it, Bill.
We go.
Yeah.
Nice take, Tori. Nice save, goalie.
Here we go.
Nice grab.
Good job, Bella.
All right, Bella. Oh, right. Oh, it's all right. It's all right.
It's all right.
It's all right.
Set it up again.
Set that up. Yep. That's it. Nice job, girls. Hey, that's you. Almost.
Try to live.
All right, redefine. Good. All right. Way to double team. Way to double team.
That was definitely a net ball.
Yeah. Looks like I got that.
Nice. Good job, Matt. Is she? Yeah, okay. She's got a couple years left then. No, that's what Mitty did. She's one guy, yeah. That's all. Ours is the goalie, but she's the goalie because she never wanted to run. In there, so she doesn't come out. Yeah, you won't see her running.
She tried that one time in Scorpion.
Oh, gradually, yeah, that's a compliment. Are they all like same high school? Ours is all mismatch all kinds of.
Oh, okay. No, they all are on the
Oh, there's
like
high
in
school.
the summertime.
High school, yeah.
So it's the summer league to
So they just keep them
to
separate.
keep themselves active.
Ours is like a separate travel team that it's all different high
Oh,
schools
got
mixed
it.
together.
Yeah, no, it could either.
Oh, no, that's
No,
kind of
they're
nice.
all
They
the
get
same
practice.
high school.
Oh, wow. They practice to play together year round.
Yeah, exactly.
That's good.
Except for
We started it's close. You have goals, but it's like half field.
oh, okay.
And there's
Yeah, we got down to about I'd say like mid-50s.
oh, that was
That was brutal.
yeah, that's a good day for us.
Yeah, that's a good spring day for us.
What part?
Yes, exactly. Hand warmers, we had top hand.
But ours is different.
The same team your sister's on, Adrian.
It's the
Black. This is
black team.
Yeah.
No, this is the black team.
There's 3 teams, Adrian, on one club.
No way!
There's a different team on your sister's club.
The other high school team. Well, I guess they're all 3 high school.
Oh, boy.
Who missed this? He probably thought he was probably looking at
There are 2 people wearing 16.
So wait.
They're talking that school time.
Eagle sticks.
Get her, Sarah. Get her, Sarah.
Sarah. All the way. Keep going on her. Go, 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 go.
It's all right, Sarah. Good D.
You're aggressive, kid. Heckling kid.
Can I steal this from you, please?
Oh.
Get it. Get your stick down.
Go, Liv. Oh, nice. Go, Val.
I gotta bring one of these. I'm gonna use this later. I told her
Yeah.
he's gonna eventually go running through that cemetery.
I want to just go. Is Ben free?
Okay.
Oh, shit. Do you have Caitlin?
I got her in a circle.
Everybody seems that.
Man, 2 kids at one time. Get that nice. Let's go, Pike.
Just one bite.
Alright, open it out.
Good job, D.
You should go sit in the shade so you can cool your body. What you want to do?
Sit up. Oh.
Oh!
There's ones that are really bad.
Here we go, Liv.
Oh, yeah.
Go, Liv.
Come on, Liv. Grace is like, I need someone me talking. I was like, I can't because our conversation that we had.
Nice.
It was Cherokee Grill. It's tied to the Smoky Mountain Brewing.
Okay.
It's their restaurant.
Okay.
Because first we went over to the brewery to have drinks while we were waiting for the table.
Uh-huh.
Then we came over there for drinks and it was all the same beer. It was good.
Cool.
We were waiting. They were waiting on this one table to leave, and they're like, it was one of those ones that just wouldn't leave.
Yeah.
We had some beer. Yeah, the food was good.
Well, that pineapple spicy margarita was delicious.
Oh, was it good?
I got a gin and tonic and it was good.
Yeah.
Well, I guess it's
And you had some white wine.
Brewery, they gave it plastic cups. There are glasses over there.
Oh, all right, Colin.
We'll get a piece.
Where's Kate? She's on the outside. Oh, she's on the outside. I gotta take her. Another one. That's fun. Good one. Do you want a frame, Mom? Let's put a frame on it. Oh!
Your face didn't show, so you didn't do it.
Yeah, I don't know.
What would you say?
There's another kid.
All right.
Get in there.
That's the cousin.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
It's fine. The cards right down there.
Oh.
Oh,
I love that,
Sure.
Aaron. Wrong team, though, my guy. But that's okay. We make a good percentage. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They work suburban.
Oh yeah, they're Trojans too. That's.
A lot of tight net.
Now you get it! All right, ladies!
Hey, Jess. All right. Oh, dollar bill, yo. Don't eat me, hold on. Oh, like pickle? Hey, Jess.
Good luck, Jess.
Oh, my door. Yeah, I thought you weren't here. She said you were hiking. I'm like, I thought you were just out hiking, not hiking too.
Yeah. Some cuddle net.
Oh,
Good try, Bryn.
I think you got
what was her mom was pointing the right direction?
Slim Jims.
I'm glad because I bought them and like nobody really ate them.
Reagan's 45 deep.
Cam has been double this.
No cheese. It seems like there's a lot of food over there.
Nice, Reagan.
Well, I guess Greg, maybe Greg could be friends with something.
Come on, Liv. Nice.
Liv?
Because
Oh.
there's like 5 more.
There's no I in team.
They might need to do the last game. They're both probably leave.
There's no I in team right now.
Maybe you'll hold off to the last one. They might need it, because I probably leave for that.
Oh, great job. You needed that, Kate.
Here we go, Sarah.
Go, Sarah!
Come on, Sarah.
Let's go, Sarah.
Go, Sarah.
Nice.
Shook that out there. Although your sister is good, she was getting everyone out of jail.
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah!
Good job, Bryn.
Blow you up on Google.
Yeah.
You should just start calling yourself Dr. Seckle.
Time?
I did Just do that whole pocket.
22. Yeah, there's like 20. Like 2 minutes.
The whole hole. When you dip, we dip, we dip.
Oh, it did go in there.
Oh yeah, that's the worst.
Good save, goalie.
Oh, the ref actually helped.
Still a
Ref
save.
never helped me. It went like in her is it chest?
That's it, Nat!
Oh,
One time, the ref like gave me his crack for. He's like, "That's my ball. You gotta like get it." And he like made her. It was like part of her time. And stuff.
She to run.
She's like, "What do you want me to do?" Oh.
all right, guys. All right,
Oh.
Woo.
Oh, really?
Oh yeah, goodness,
Oh,
it's
zinc.
Close down her, she can't.
Oh,
Yeah.
zinc is terrible. Yeah. Get that stuff. I hate that zinc stuff. It's just like paste.
You look like you go.
Yeah.
Well, we got it one summer, and then the kids.
Hustled
I
out.
had to like after the kids like wore it a couple days. Then that night they had to scrub their faces, and the dermatologist we had to ask, and they had to wear like Vaseline on their face because it like cracked all their skin. I was like, oh, that's not good. Oh.
Oh.
There we go. Piper. Pipe.
Oh.
Pipe.
Go, Liz.
Oh.
Got it.
Again, Nate.
You need 16.
You gonna record your dog?
Oh yeah. I was used to her not participating.
He is now.
Reese!
Nice.
Nice!
Go, Breeze.
Job, Reese! Job, Reese. All right, nice!
Yeah, hopefully. Doug got some good ones out.
Like a nice
Yeah, I'm like, you
close up.
gave up on your own dog.
Look, Jeff.
He's got that
Jeff, I
replacement.
just forgot she worked. Now, yeah.
Unlucky. Run it out.
I feel like there's no pressure this tournament. I don't have to have all my things. I'm like a low. Yeah, everything's like this weekend. Reagan, good.
No, there's Black's next one's on 6.
We're on 6 and 7.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was in
Be nice. We should have brought that tent up here.
I gotta get my umbrella. I have the big umbrellas in the front. Oh my goodness.
There's trees over there.
Sorry. Pick that up. Pick it up.
All right, Black got the big one. They're done till 2:45. We had 2 gray in a row.
2 gray in a row.
Yeah. Yeah.
How many subs does Gray have?
Yeah, nice.
2. If you have 2, I counted there's 2.
Well, there's a break between the gray. Gray, gray, but there's a break between the 2.
Oh, they were catching crayfish.
Oh, nice. They're gonna make us some lunch.
Oh, someone's down.
Oh.